I got this sunrise alarm clock the other day from Glocusent for free to check out so you can see what's inside the box. Let me show you what this guy looks like. I've got it plugged into USB-C power. It's got the plug right back here, and we've got buttons all over the place. So on the back, we've got these buttons right here. We'll talk about those in a second. This is how you go into the different sound modes, because this does have built-in sounds and a sound machine for you. And on the front, we've got just kind of your standard issue pluses and minuses and sleep modes and alarm. I'm not going to go through how to set an alarm clock or anything for you, but the main things that are unique to this guy right here is we got this brightness button right here, this sunrise button that turns on the light mode, and then you can press and hold up or down to change the brightness of this. So you can actually just do step intervals or hold it for a stepless change, and it goes almost down to nothing right there if you want to use it as like a night light. Now you press it again and it goes into this colorful mode, and you can go in between different colors, and you can press and hold to change the brightness of it just like you do in the other mode. And we can just scroll through these different guys right here, and let's put it on something like a blue and leave it there for now. It comes with a cheat sheet so you can figure out how to, just like any clock or alarm clock, set and reset the alarms. It comes with 2 alarms, and I will go through one of them. Like if you set the time, you just press through here, set whatever time you want, set the amount of time it's going to go off for, and then you can actually change, can you hear that, what it's going to sound like. So there's a couple different, I think there's just 2 alarm sounds, but then there are 14 different built-in sounds if you want to wake up to like something kind of soothing. I don't know how a nice, beautiful creek background noise would make you wake up. It would make me want to keep sleeping, but whatever. All right, so that's how you set the alarms. And then back here on the back, we've got in that vein a different mode button here. And you press this and it'll cycle through. Let me get back to the main screen. It'll cycle through NS, which is noise right here, and that's just the built-in sound machines, an FM radio, and a Bluetooth mode. So you can cycle through those right here. There's the FM radio. Press it again. We're in Bluetooth mode. If you want to connect a Bluetooth device to this, you can. And then back over here to nothing, and then if I press it again, we're on noise. Now, I'm going to not show you every time I press it, the back of it, but you can go back and forth. We got play, pause in the middle, so that turns it off. And then you can scroll between the noises like this. And then also we can change the volume by pressing and holding. So let's press and hold this. And we can see it gets a lot louder up to this volume level 16. And it's got 14 different sounds. I'm going to change the volume back down a little bit for us so it doesn't blow out my voice. But you get 14 different sounds, including birds and heartbeats and different nature sounds. So I'm going to press the pause button. That's what this is all about. The main feature, though, it's a very nice and big size. It's not a very in-your-face display in the middle as far as the buttons goes. When the lights are off, it's nice and subdued, and you can change, of course, the brightness of this ambient light around it, or you can even turn it off if you want to. So it doubles as a nice night light, and it's got those built-in sound machine functions, too. Thank you again for Glocusent for sending this over. Hope that's helpful for you. Have a great one. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you, and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.